285 with an Edelbrock carburetor, 1965 Ford Fairlane 500, two-door, red leather interior, red top, hard shell, real pimp style, original hubcaps, great deal.